Hello everybody! Yeah, we are having an awesome new pattern, the classic camisole, and I want to tell you a little bit how you can adjust it to get your own personal perfect fit. The classic camisole is made for woven fabrics, and as we all know, wovens are not forgiving, and that means that you have to make some personal adjustments. So don't be afraid, because you already know how to adjust, because you adjust for your height, for your side waist, and your length, and everything. So this is not really a little, yeah, you can do it. So I'm going to tell you and explain what you can do, how to make your camisole, yeah, your own. So we start with a fit. We always start with a fit. So when you keep in mind that your fit is not wearable, then and you just use it as your base to adjust everything, and then we are going to transfer that on the pattern, and then you can make your own final camisole. So how we do that? We do that with taking a similar weight fabric as you want to use for your finals. For example, the fabrics is really important. When you have here, for example, cotton, just a poplin fabric, and you see that there is not really a lot of drape in it. Just hold it in front of you, and you see that there's only 2 pleats. So you know this is a fabric does not have a lot of drape. So please don't use that. Because what's going to happen is that's going to stand out and will not go smooth around your body. Here we have just a simple viscose. And you see already that there are a lot of pleats in it, and you can use this perfectly for your fit or for your final. So I used a really thin and lightweight fabric myself, and when you make your fit, you don't have to finish all the edges, you don't have to understitch. You can use just a simple yeah, pre-made bias to correct and see how it's working. What you do is you sew your facing in, because only then you can see if you have to adjust yes or no. Because when you don't sew your facing in, all the seam allowance from here and this part will not be away. So please sew your facing in when making your fit. So, and also really important, have a look at the line drawings and the tester pics and see what the fit is of your garment. Because as you see, it is not a fitted fit, but it is a loose fit, but you don't want any caping. So, and yeah, you probably have to adjust here at the arm sky, and you maybe have to adjust here around the neckline. You can play with your straps to set it higher or the lower, and how you do that is you just sew it onto the back, and you pin it in the front, and then you can see how much you have to adjust. So measure that the finished length plus seam allowance, and your finished straps are done. So we're going to start with the arm sky, and yeah, either if you are in size XXS or you are a size 5XL, you are a part in the size chart. And that means that yeah, if you are in the beginning, in the middle, or in the end of the size chart, there is a difference of inches and centimeters, so you probably have to adjust this. And you're going to do that. It's really easy. So I already have this wrong side out. So you're going to put your garment on, and you with wrong side out, and you're just going to start pinning. Where are pins? Yeah. And you're just going to start pinning all the way down, probably around a little bit to your waist to nothing. So, and then you see you have adjusted here in a smooth line, and then you're going to measure how much you took away, how much you pinned away, and that you're going to transfer onto your pattern. Take that off, also from the facing, and your arm sky is just now made for you. So the neckline is the same. That can also be a little bit more too much fabric over here, or a little bit gaping over here. And what you're going to do is the same. You're just going to pin the extra fabric away as in a dart. And you don't need to have that a lot. You're probably 2-3 inches from here. And you're going to measure how much you took away. Just like this. And like this. And you transfer that on your pattern piece. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So this is how your pattern piece is look like. And this is your dart you transferred in. The measurements you just pinned away, and you transfer it and you draw that on your pattern piece. And you're going to make a line all the way down straight through here, and you cut completely through it. And then you're going to close your dart. And you see now that there is a lot of opening, white extra. So no worry. This is now your new neckline, this part. And you lay it on your own pattern piece. And you draw in the regular arm sky you had already. And the side seams. You dart in. And that's it. That's it. So it's nothing more. And yeah, we also added a movable dart. So that means that when you have to do an FBA, please do it, because you need the white for your breast, but you also don't want to have it too wide over here. So do your FBA, and mostly your dart is going to be a little bit more down. And so with the movable pattern piece, just measure your apex new again, put your dart back in, and that's it. So it's actually not a lot to do. So I'm really looking forward, and when you have any questions at all, so don't hesitate to ask them in a group or something like that. It's all fine. We're all here to help you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.